What's up, everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. For today, we're going to do the reaction video for the latest Miss Grand International Queen, which is Emma Tiglao from the Philippines, guys. Yes, we won a back-to-back with CJ Opiaza, which is the first runner-up last year, but she assumed the throne like 5 months ago. It's the shortest reign, but it's still from the Philippines, and now she is crowning Emma Tigla from the Philippines. It's been a while, guys, since I reacted sa mga beauty pageant. And, you know, Miss Grand is one of our favorite in terms of production. Sobrang ganda, guys. Hands up talaga. Pero pagdating sa organization, ayaw ko na lang mag-talk. Agree ba kayo? You can comment down below. But before that, guys, before we proceed, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. Check this out. All right, we are playing 3, 2, 1. Hi, audience view. Kabog. Grabe yung opening pa lang niya, guys. Queenly aura right away. Talaga naman, nakita nyo na iba yung ano niya, no, yung introduction niya from the preliminaries, and this one talagang alam mo yun, iniyakap niya agad ang corona. And you can see with a smile and how she introduced. Iba-iba talaga yung mga Miss Philippines natin every year, how they introduce themselves with Miss Grand Philippines. So, kailangan talaga maraming arte. And balikan natin, tingnan nyo. Umako. And, diba, the one and only. Ganda na open interesting na grabe ang stage, guys. Ganda to audience. Ayan. Fierce. Diba? Alam niya kung nasa ng camera. The heart is there, and look at that smile. Green and smile.
And the country's Power of the Year award goes to Miss Grand
Country's
Philippines.
Power of the Year. Oh my God, grabe oh. Look, her hair is shining. Oh, diba? Look at that smiles, guys. Grabe.
Philippines!
Look at that smiles. All smile ka, tapos biglang back. Oh, God. Eh, iba yung makeup niya.
Congratulations, Miss Grand Philippines!
Under eye. The audience and they have a cape this year as well. Oh, diba? That's what I love about Miss Grand. Kasi talagang kailangan with grandeur yung mga gagawin mo effect, and you really have to make your own mark pagdating sa mga runway. Hindi siya pwede push-push. Diba? Alam mo yun, yung parang ano, nagkamot-kamot ka muna, tapos lakad-lakad ng very light, tapos aura on. So kayo gano'n-gano'n yun ang buhok, no? Grabe. Sobrang trademark ngayon in yung sway-sway. Talagang pinanindigan niya sa una pa lang and in the preliminaries. Grabe, iba-iba yung aura ni Emma nung finals compared dun sa preliminary.
Grand Philippines!
Ito yung pumasok siya.
As a journalist, my heart aches for my country.
This is one of the good part of Miss Grand as well, wherein they tackle about the point of view ng mga beauty queens in terms of the war and violence, which is the true essence of Miss Grand International. Pero hindi lang talaga ako sure kung napaninindigan nila yung part na yun, kasi parang live selling talaga. Charot. Pero ang ganda kasi itong pageant na to. I think this is more grand than Miss Universe in terms of production value and concept. Pero pagdating dun sa cost, medyo nami-misalign, oo, si Papanawa.
As a journalist, my
Ganda rin
heart
ng
aches
outfit
for
niya.
my country drowned by corruption, for the lives lost to
Tama yan,
earthquakes and
corruption,
typhoons,
oo.
and for journalists like Mariam Abu Daga from Gaza, who died for truth. We are not born in fear, but to hope, to
Diba? Parang galit na galit si Emma. Doon talagang ina-emphasize niya the corruption and the war in Gaza. Especially in the Philippines, yung corruption, di ba? Alam niyo naman ang flood control, guys.
died for
Promise.
truth. We are not born in fear, but to hope, to love, and to live in peace. Peace begins when parents teach children with compassion, leaders embody humility, youth find their purpose, and when we live with empathy and kindness, Han Kwanrak, Kap, Krabab, Siap, Siang,
Wait, guys. Nagtay si Emma. Oo.
youth find their purpose, and when we live with empathy and kindness, Han Kwanrak, Kap, Krabab, Siap, Siang Ti, Gransi, Sudsu, Santipapka, let love be the grandest voice to peace.
Kabog. Alam mo, hindi ko alam if the queens are being prepared on this part or meron silang concept of what they're gonna tackle because every year this is the same format, so they know that this will be part of the segment. So definitely meron sila siguro mga prepared speech on how they deliver yung ano na lang, yung pagtatalunan and how Emma delivered with emotion. You can see in her facial expression and how she emphasized those important points of the speech. And nag-Thai. Oo, she speaks Thai. At the same time, the end part wherein let peace be the grandest kenemerot. Oo. Ano ba yung sinabi ni Emma?
Grandest voice, Ti, Sudsu, Kap, Krabab, Siap, Siang Ti, Gransi, Sudsu, Santipapka, let love be the grandest voice
Be the
to
grandest
peace.
voice to peace. Kabog ang statement na. So, ang ganda niya. I love her makeup here, pero medyo for me, the gown, guys. Grabe. Yung sa makeup niya, parang medyo nasobrahan siya sa nose line, but overall, kabog, Barbie yung fest. At ito, the grand long gown. Pero aminin natin, guys, for me, in my own opinion, among the top 10 for the gowns, Emma has the grandest presentation, but in terms of the design or the concept of the gown, parang medyo kay Miss Payne ako. Oo. Parang mas bet kay Miss Payne. Pero out of all the gowns ng Miss Grand na napanood ko, I think Emma's gown is one of the best. And the execution, actually the execution, wala akong sa Miss Grand. And for me, how she executed this, above. Look at that, and the intricate details of her dress na parang it shapes her body and very fitted yung sequence gown niya. And then grand na grand yung feather fur and train, it's so nice. And the way she's executed, look at that, guys. This is an audience view, guys. I'll show you. That smile. Crown her. And this way. Another thing on TV, it was a slow motion, so it really good effect. Ito rin ang isa sa maganda sa Miss Grand. May mga real-time slow motion. Slay, girl.
Into a top 5. MGI 2025
Siya
is
tawagan dito kasi she Miss Mexico ang nanalo ng special award. And then there's one more left. And suddenly, Emma was called for the top 5. Grabe yung kaba. Grabe talaga yon. And also, parang sinabi ni Nawat na dapat sa Mexico at sa Venezuela pinagpilian nila at hindi nabanggit nun sa Philippines. So, nasa top 5 talaga siya.
Miss Grand and Philippines!
Diba? Everyone is expecting Mexico pero makapasok si Emma.
As someone who reports this kind of stories, I
think
really
final
want
din
to use the power of balance, us people to be educated and aware, for us to not be scammed, and the help of the government to
Scammed.
enhance their justice system, for the scammers to be behind bars, to be accountable. Because one day, I hope that we will live in a peaceful world where no one should deceive just to survive.
Oh, actually, the way she answered this final question, the message was clear what she wanted, but the delivery have some, like rebuttal in the middle, like she's kind of unsure, but at the end, she was able to, to make bawi. Make bawi, laban na bawi pala to, na nabawi niya naman, na not everyone should be deceived just to survive. No? So, medyo clear naman yung part na yun. Kasi out of the top 5, I think maganda rin yung kay Thailand at kay Spain. So, medyo na-contemplate ako doon kung ibibigay ba kay Emma or ibibigay ba ni Nawat kay Emma, which is, di ba, alam naman natin ang history natin with Miss Grand. So, it's really hard to get this golden crown in a fair play. So, kaya naman kaya naman
Thank you.
medyo pinamahan tayo. But she delivers it. And this is the crowning.
Miss Grand International 2025 is Miss Grand
Kala ko kay Thailand talaga.
Philippines!
Grabe. Nakita niyo naman ang reaction niya. It's trending online. This meme. Grabe. Pati ako guys, everybody, nanonood kami. Grabe yung excitement and yung kaba na parang ano ba, lot first runner-up na naman tayo at ibibigay sa Thailand this year. But we got it and it was a grand win for Emma. And look at CJ at the back. Unexpected talaga. And very genuine. Hindi na lang tayo yung pinasahan ng corona. We earn it this time. And look at that. Oh my God. I'm so happy for Emma. She deserved it. Oh my God.
Congratulations once again. A fantastic...
There you have it, guys. That is Miss Grand International 2025 Emma Mary Tiglao from the Philippines. Grabe. It's a fair win for the Philippines kasi nakita niyo naman nilaban talaga ni Emma from start to finish. I also thought that it's gonna be Thailand this year na ibibigay ni Nawat kay Thailand and we're gonna be first runner-up. But undeniably, Emma fought for it. She came prepared. Sobrang prepared from day one until the preliminaries and the finals. Kita-kita niyo naman na hindi yung mga sinasabi natin na learn when to peak. She picked the start nung competition and she nailed it and she grabbed the golden crown for the Philippines this year. And it's a back-to-back, guys. Grabe. How do you feel about her performance? You can comment down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.